Hey guys, we're about to put a bar of soap in the microwave. This is not a friendship bracelet video, but oh well. I just wanted to show you how it works.
So we have just a plain old bar of Ivory soap. It said no more than 2 minutes. What do you think? Minute 45?
Yeah, sure.
I'm not.
Whoops.
I'm not.
Well, how about 150?
Yeah, that's fine. Sorry, you can't really see all that well.
But I need to get
No, just stand in one position. Don't push this
It's kind of hard to stand on a chair.
Ew, look!
Check that out.
You.
What's it doing?
Ew, it's melting. It's melting.
Well, it smells good anyway.
At least it smells good.
And it's only half done.
Okay, I may not need to let this go for as long as I planned. Oh well, at least the microwave needed cleaning anyway.
Yeah. I wonder if it's gonna explode.
It says you can still use it for washing after this.
Really?
Yeah. Oh. Moving into the door.
I can't wait to feel the texture.
Okay, it's kind of stuck in the corner now. We better stop it.
Alright. Let's look.
Alright. Oh, look, it's going down. It's like a souffle or something.
That's funny.
Is it hot? Yeah.
It's hot.
A little, not much. Oh,
Wow.
that's weird.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's hot. Alright, let's wait till it cools down a little
It's
bit.
like it's full of steam or something. That is crazy.
It's going
It's
down.
like some kind of sci-fi thing or something. It feels all leathery on the outside.
It does?
Yeah.
Oh, look, there's the original soap there. I think.
Man, it feels like foam rubber. Really hot foam rubber.
Ew. Really hot foam rubber. It feels like really hot paper made out of soap.
When's it gonna cool off, you think?
Well, it's not that hot like around on the outside. Is the soap hot?
Ow, 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 ow.
Yeah. Ooh, it's not even really solid. That is crazy.
It's too hot for me.
Oh, it isn't solid. That's weird. That's
Okay.
weird. It is leathery.
Okay, it's not too hot anymore.
Look, you can pick the whole thing up. That is crazy.
Oh, and watch this. I think it's melting. Oh, it's not melting. Never
Yeah,
mind.
the soap is kind of like spongy.
Yeah.
Ow, that's hot.
But if you only pick up a little, it's not hot.
Well, bath time will be interesting tonight.
Uh-huh. Wouldn't you say so, Lydia?
I guess. That's hot. It smells good.
So
anyway.
that's what happens when you put a bar of Ivory soap in the microwave. I wonder who decided to try that in the first place, actually.
Maya.
Maya? Okay.
That is so weird. We would say don't try this at home, but yeah, go ahead and try it at home.
Try
It's
this
fun.
at home. For sure.
It's fun to try at home. You can still see the letters.
How crazy is that?
Wow, I did not believe that.
It's
Holes! Look, holes.
It's squishy. And still very hot.
Yep. It almost looks like it says Evop.
Because
Because you can't really see the Y.
Anyway.
Actually, it looks like Ivorv. Because you can't see the stem of the Y.
Right.
Ivorv.